Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how we made a larger pad for our Branson BH250 backhoe. This is the original pad that came on the backhoe, and we didn't like it because it would tend to sink too easily. So we took a 1/4 inch plate that's 12 by 15, a 3-inch C-channel, and then once this is put together, we're going to bolt it to the bottom of the original pad. This is what it looks like after we welded the C-channel to the plate. Then we centered the original plate on top of the new one and drilled holes. Here's the finished product. My husband spray painted the new pad black and attached it to the original pad using bolts so that it's detachable. And you can see the size of the new pad compared to the original pad. My husband just felt like the original pad was a little small because of the weight of the tractor with the backhoe, and it caused it to sink